to Holland Alignment in Pittsburgh, Kansas, and we are going to get an alignment on Dixie, our fifth wheel, and also have new shocks put on. We also are taking Leroy in for paint touch-up in Dennis, Kansas, or to RVH Lifestyles, so they're close to each other, so we figured we'd get them both in at the same time. We're Dave and Karen from Wax on Wheels, and we sold our sticks and bricks to RV full-time now that we are retired. We travel with our heavy-duty truck Leroy, our two K&N motorcycles, our DRV Dixie, and our smart car Zippy. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell to be notified when we post a new video. Gotta be able to hold a lot of weight. It's okay to hear that, right? John's the man. What you doing now, Dave?
Having a shit fit.
Good to remove the tote so that they can work on the bottom of the RV.
Yeah.
Our battery is not working properly because of our inverter. So we're draining our battery, which...
It's going to be fun back in the campsite.
No, it won't be. And can't back this up properly. Our inverter got burned up. We had no power to back up the tote. They needed to realign the fifth wheel in the garage, so we had to remove the tote.
Done.
By the way, if you're ever in Pittsburgh, Kansas, near Holland Alignment, you gotta stop at the Farmhouse Cafe. Comes Leroy to RVH Lifestyles.
Yeah, right here we've got, well, obviously you can see it, missing, paint blistered up and peeled off. And it's a section about that big altogether.
Can't see it. Oh, there it is.
So.
Yeah, that's still wanting to
Peel up.
peel. Oh yeah, I can see there's like a bubble.
Yeah.
Okay. So it doesn't go into the hood though.
No. No. And we have, I don't know if you can catch it or not, rust on the door. there, all on here, and down here. And to show you the inside,
That doesn't look so bad, does it?
now you'd be surprised.
Oh.
It's been growing.
Yeah, that's a chunk right there. So he'll work that out pretty good.
All right.
There's Leroy.
It had
His nose has
surgery.
been removed, yeah.
Yeah, he's getting a nose job.
Yeah. Little paint touch up.
Yeah.
And a new door.
So you were asking about what we can do.
Yeah, there you go.
There you go.
And a new starter, and a
Yeah.
new drum seal, and a couple of
I
little
mean,
things.
who knew the guy was going to stop that fast?
And here's Leroy after his paint job. No more big bubble here. And the match to the hood is beautiful. Let's go check out the new door. All pretty because it's all brand new. Now I got to put my name back on there. These guys did a great job matching the paint. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below, even if it's just to say hi. Don't forget to subscribe.